In today's video, I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas and I'm going to do a double cup open pour. I haven't worked with these colors in a while, but I really like the way that red, gold, and black work together. So I'm going to do black for my base coat and then red, a bronzy orange color that I mixed up, and some gold for the colors that I'm going to pour into my cups. I have everything mixed with Floetrol and water. It's about 2 to 3 parts Floetrol, and then I just gently incorporate water until it's the consistency that I want for my pour. And I'm just starting out by putting a really thin coat of the black paint down, and then I just have 2 paper cups that I just cut in half. The ends I won't be using the actual cup part, it's the open mouth part that I will be pouring in. So I'm just starting by placing my cups towards the middle of my canvas, and then I'm creating a seal around them by just adding more of the black paint. And then once I start adding the colors, when they start moving underneath the lip of the cup, they'll break that seal and flow underneath the black paint. So I do get some nice cells this way. You could always try adding silicone to your mix to try and get more cells. I just prefer my paintings without it. So from here, I'm just going to alternate my colors in my cups and then tilt out my design. I did end up grabbing my torch and I torched just a little bit to help some more cells pop up, but once I really let the paint sit both before and after tilting, more popped up on their own, and it ended up drying really well and it looked really nice. With the metallic gold and the metallic orange that I mixed up, there's a really nice shimmer to it, and that red also looks really good against the black background. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I really enjoy doing the open cup pours, so if you have different colors that you want to see doing this, I'll definitely try them out. I also enjoy doing multiple pours with these instead of just one cup, having 2 or 3 or even more. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do put out 2 videos a week, and I will see you all in the next video.